Hello, this will be an update to the gold chart triangle explained. I will be focusing on the recent movement in the price of gold and also the support and resistance line, the direction they're going, and what it means in the triangle pattern. The green line that's under the trend is the long-term support. I carried it over from the previous picture. And here I drew the resistance line that is marked in red, and this has been lasting for approximately 3.5 months. And with this resistance line, as well with other resistance lines, it's like an invisible force that somehow make prices retreat off of them. Many times prices will break through their resistance lines, and at that point you can see formation of a new trend, or maybe some type of irrational exuberance where prices spike up and then come back down to the trends. But the price action that just recently happened is that the prices actually went down from the resistance line. As you can see here, I drew a short-term trend line. This trend was only 6 days, and where the black circle is where the short-term 6-day trend met the 3.5 month resistance line of the 3.5 month trend. Normally the longest running trend is the trend that has the most strength. Since the resistance line was a trend that was lasting 3.5 months and the support was only a 6-day up movement, it was reasonable to suspect the prices would go down. They didn't have to. It could have broke through, which is reasonable too, but anything happened. So prices went down off of their resistance line. Now, since we have a new downtrend that has commenced, you will want to look for where the next support level will be. Where I have circled right here is the next support level. It's from a trend that has been lasting for about 3 weeks, and it should be stronger than this downtrend that is coming. That it should be only maybe 2, 3, 4 days of this trend before it bounces back up and rises back up toward its resistance lines. In the event the 3.5 week long uptrend does not hold and prices break through that green support line that I have outlined, then prices will retreat back to its long-term support line. That will be the more than likely retracement spot. And from there, the battle will be between the long-term trend that's outlined with the green support line that has been running for a few years versus the 3.5 month trend, which more than likely the long-term trend should dominate the much shorter trend in this triangle. In the event prices continue to just bounce between the two trend lines, between the support that's outlined in green and the resistance that's outlined in red, then prices will inevitably break through one of the trend lines at the apex of the triangle. So therefore, as of now, you have a triangle contained within another triangle. Right now we're in the inner triangle, and we will see if prices will gain support at that support level and start to go back towards the resistance line that has been running for 3.5 months, or would it go back down toward its longer term support, or would it just run all the way up to the apex somewhere bouncing between the middle of the two lines. So the whole purpose of a triangle pattern formation is to be able to gauge where prices will range between and how long they will range between those prices, and to be able to spot when it breaks out of these two support and resistance ranges. So as of now, we're still contained within a triangle. And this has been an update. It is December 5th, 2011. Hope you enjoyed the video, and goodbye.